today's thought for the day. Don't spoil the soil. The soil will spoil your day. We have soil to farm, not to harm. I will repeat it. Don't spoil the soil. The soil will spoil your day. We have soil to farm, not to harm. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning. My name is Anand Dwivedi of class 5A. Today's scripture is Paryavaran Nashe Nashyanti Sarvajanatvaha Pavanaha Dushtatam Yati Prakriti Vikritayate. I repeat it. Paryavaran Nashe Nashyanti Sarvajanatvaha Pavanaha Dushtatam Yati Prakriti Vikritayate.
Good morning. My name is Anya Vishkava from class 5A. The meaning of the scripture is, due to the destruction of environment, all beings are destroyed. The winds get vicious and the nature become hostile. So we should always protect our environment.
Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning. Myself B. Pratap Singh and today's news headlines are as follows. India UAE signs agreements to settle trade in rupees. India gives 84 vehicles to Nepal for hospitals and schools. Heavy rainfall in Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand for next 2 days. ISRO launched Chandrayaan-3 lunar mission to launch vehicle Mark 3 GSLV Mark 3 from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Andhra Pradesh. Vladimir Putin says Russia has stockpiled cluster bombs and reserves right to use them in Ukraine. Now I would like to call Ansh for sports news.
Good morning. I am Anshika, class 5A. Today's sports news headlines are 400 bikers kickstart Hyderabad part of GP Bharat Cities Tour. Jasprit Bumrah to make comeback with Ireland Tour next month. World Aquatics Shiship, China wins 3 gold medals in diving. UTT Chennai Lions aim to continue winning from PSU Mumbai TT. Thank you and have a nice day.
Soil, the soul of all the life upon this precious planet. Soil, the very conundrum of life and death. The only magical material that turns death into life is the magic of soil. The basis of all riches of life we see. Depleting soil can unleash the unfed gastronomic fire to burn and annihilate the very world. Let us not turn this magic into tragic. Save soil, save soil. Respected principals, sir, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. Good morning. I Stuti Dwivedi and I Tanishq Jaswal from 5A welcome you all to today's morning assembly on the topic Save Soil, which is the need of the hour. Right now, the most important aspect on conserving nature is the soil. If we do not solve soil degradation, the plant will not be conducive for humans to live upon it. Essentially, all life depends upon the soil. There can be no life without soil and no soil without life. They have evolved together. Soil is the basis of our lives, but human activities have degraded and eroded the topsoil at an alarming rate. Globally, 52% of the agricultural land is already degraded. The planet is in crisis. To know more about this problem and its solution, I call my friend KV Rohit. Friend, please. Good morning. I am KV Rohit from Good morning. I am KV Rohit of class 5A and with today's speech. Healthy soil is a dynamic living ecosystem, a complete combination of minerals and organic matter containing air, water and life. A gram of soil can contain as many as 50,000 species all interacting with each other to keep their soil habit healthy and protected. But human activity is destroying the balance and nearly 1/3 of the earth's soil is already degraded. In India, 30% of fertile soil have become barren and incapable of healing. The United Nations has warned that at current rate of soil degradation, 90% of earth could turn into desert by 2050, less than 3 decades from now. Soil degradation happens when soil loses the physical, chemical or biological qualities that support
by human activities. Excessive use of pesticides and insecticides, increasing use of fertilizers, dumping of solid waste are all harming the soil. Deforestation causes soil erosion and intensive farming, especially monoculture farming, where one crop is grown repeatedly, drains the nutrients of the soil. Thus, it must be our aim to decrease rather completely eradicate soil pollution to achieve the environmental and economical benefits. So, to save the soil, we can change the current agriculture practices, reduce the use of pesticides and fertilizers, replace monoculture and crop rotation that give soil time to replenish the nutrients, use of organic manure, compositing with biodegradable waste, recycling of industrial waste, growing of more and more trees in barren land. Most importantly, awareness must be created amongst people. They must be taught that soil degradation is dangerous effects on not only humankind but the entire ecosystem. Soil is life. Conserve it. Soil, it's more important than you think. Don't be so selfish. Just think to save the land. Thank you and have a nice day.
Soil is a precious, complex and interconnected system that is worthy of respect and awe, regardless of what we get out of it. If we value lives and the lives of future generations, we have to take care of our soil. Save Soil is a global movement launched by Indian spiritual leader Sadhguru to address land degradation and advocate for healthy soil. Sadhguru traveled across 27 countries, meeting their leaders, politicians, scientists and citizens to galvanize the support to save soil. The primary objective of Save Soil movement is to urge organizations of the world to mandate a minimum of 3 to 6% of organic content. The healthier the soil, the healthier our food, the healthier our body. So, soil is precious, we must save it. Now I call Anshika with the poem on Save Soil.
My name is Anshika Kumari from class 5A. Today I am going to recite a poem on Save Soil. Be loyal to our soil. We have only got so much. Organically, show and keep it green. Our plants will grow, so don't be mean. When you spoil our soil, germs replace the worms. Trees and bees won't be pleased, so try to keep it very clean. It's time to lend a hand and our soil salute. Recycle, compost, organic land. Make sure you don't pollute. Don't forget my saying, don't spoil our soil. Thank you.